back at Metro Performance here with Roger. We're checking out the suspension right now, or the coils. I was thinking about raising it, but it's kind of already up there. Trying to figure out the rubbing issue. When Danny took it on the back road the other day, the fronts are definitely rubbing. The tires are a little big in the front, a little wide I should say. I could probably switch that up, but we're gonna try and see if we can't stiffen it up.
Usually what we do is we'll back it all the way off, and then we'll figure out how many clicks there are all the way till it stops, and then we'll back it off to the center and adjust from there.
Because it should have clicks, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The panels? Oh, the rubber thing? Rear while he's looking at the front. Oh, that's where they went. I was looking for these.
I put the relays there.
Yeah.
These fall off.
You gotta pull them from the bottom. I could.
In eyes.
Good thing you got glasses on.
Ow. So what we can do is
Just go left or right, see where it's.
we'll just do.
If you tell me it can get tighter, that's just stupid. Yeah. There's no way. It rides like it's on rails right now.
These I've never with. We'll find out when it blows the fucking fender off the car.
You might as well just like max it out and just see if that solves it. Did it feel stiffer than the first time you did it?
No, I didn't pay attention.
Oh, that's good. We did 16 clicks one way, now we're gonna back it up. Go all the way down or up, since we don't know if it's tightening or getting looser, softer I should say.
A little stiff.
Oh, that thing's not moving at all.
GT3. So this is really the top tier.
I think we figured it out. We tightened the fronts, and he just said he finished tightening the rear. We'll take it out for a spin for the first time, and then I'll take this guy in the passenger seat. He can film something. I'm just gonna keep it in low boost for now. Cool. Jesus. First time, I'm gonna keep it in low boost. You might want to two-hand it. It's nice and warmed up. You had it warmed up? Yeah, you driving it?
Sometimes. Got the darkest tint known to man.
Alright, we're gonna keep it in low boost for the first time.
You know, it'd be a good spot. Go down that way. I don't know if you've ever been down there. The road's all f***ed up.
We know it still rubs.
Dude, it sounds like a clown horn. It's actually really f***ed up over there. Oh yeah. Oh, dude. Oh no! No, stop! Oh man.
Where did we turn around? Where did you take me?
Dude, oh, stop! Stop, chill out. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Where you taking me, dude? Off-roading, bro.
We're good, we're good.
God, Roger.
Dude.
6-point turn. Let's stall.
We're good, we're good. Solid. I can't tell if it's rubbing.
It is rubbing.
Dude, why are you going so fast?
That is fast? I thought.
We'll get out and inspect the damage.
All the paint gone.
I didn't hear anything in the back.
Yeah, no, that was. All right, that was the first time taking it out in low boost. That was all the way down. Trying to get it situated before, you know, we take it out and full send it and all that. I don't want any craziness happening. You creeping up here like a predator. Entire.
We won't, dude. We're just gonna
we
go
did
in a
just
straight line,
last time.
bro.
Yeah, you heard it last time. I thought it was a car honking. It was the tires rubbing. He just thought it was too. It's crazy because like when you're driving the car, it doesn't sound that loud, even when you're blipping it and stuff. It's like the inside has good like soundproofing or whatever, but on the outside it's just gnarly. Oh, I forgot to add too, I adjusted the auto focusing on this, so hopefully it's focusing a little bit better on my face. I messed with some settings. Looks like we're gonna attack doing a fender roll in the front. The fronts were never rolled, but the rears were. So we're gonna try and roll the front, or I should say, we're going to roll the front, and then let's hope that solves the issue. You had to move it like a quarter of a millimeter, just you felt like I had it wrong.
Just surprised how much it travels up.
It's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see where it's been rubbing. If I can get this thing to focus. There it goes. Oh, light helps. Alright, we have a game plan.
Hey, we're gonna smash this
Where it's rubbing, it's just catching on the edge
right on the edge
of the fender, which is actually good because that's what we'd be rolling up. You're cinematic, bro. Oh my god. Dude. It seemed like pull up in my face. You look like you don't know what the you're doing.
No, that's why I'm gonna bet Danny for a quick like 5-minute rundown.
We've never rolled the fenders, but I've been around it and I've done a lot of research. We just got to be extra careful with heating it up and taking our time. It might be easier if you take the spacer off. What do you think?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, if it gets better clearance, I don't know how low it is. It's already at its lowest. Look. Where's the other chingadera at? It's right here. One tool. We have our heat gun. We have Roger. 3, 4, 5.
So it goes like so.
We're getting this baby mounted. We're gonna see how this is gonna go.
It's gonna go great.
Bop, bop.
No, like I can't even touch the goddamn fender.
What?
Yeah. I wonder if we should have kept that on.
What? We're learning this Eastwood roller as we go. All of us are just trying to figure out what the hell is just going on.
Where is?
We figured there's like a 2-pin option, and we were on the one that's furthest out. So I guess if your car's not that low, it doesn't need to be on that pin level. But we adjusted it, so now we actually have some force that we can apply to the fender.
So I had another tool, Roger, somewhere.
Yeah.
That was like a clamper tool.
This is straight as possible.
So we heat that up, try and push it back flat
Yeah.
before you start rolling. Stop. It's just record. I think it flashes there. I thought you weren't doing any of this.
That's the problem. It's gonna pull the whole thing out.
That's fine.
In the front. It's not fine. It's not gonna bend. It's just gonna push the fender out.
Let me play with it.
Your car.
Thank God Danny here would have been fun.
Well, they're gonna watch this and they're gonna be like, "Oh, he knows how to roll fenders." So they're gonna try and come here for other stuff.
No, absolutely not. This thing like needs to drop down more.
Spacer number 2. You're making him drop stuff. He's freaking out.
He always does, dude.
You're doing the predator walk again.
Got off?
Yeah.
Good.
What are you doing with it?
Nice.
Maybe just one more. Oh, I don't know. Let's just put the thing.
He just comes out with a whole AutoZone parts list of spacers. You have it? My car just has a massive amount of bullshit.
Well, we
issues
got
all the time.
extended studs. We got spacers. We got the wrong wheels on the car. I mean, just everything about it's just wrong. That's
Nice, Danny. We just waited. Hey, while you're doing that, you gotta get the famous,
Chingadera blaster.
the all famous, says 140, 150.
Is it?
Yeah.
gun out.
Hell yeah.
It's
Look
hot,
at that
bro.
now.
I have gloves. I can hold it.
See, the thing is, see what the Fender's doing? It's
Yeah, well, I'll hold it down. You got thick gloves?
I think I'm maxed out now.
Make sure you hit up Danny for all your fender rolling needs.
Absolutely not.
You just kind of rip it off and say, "Good." What tab?
Oh.
There's a tab in there. Not anymore. McClung fender rolling. You big you. Is that the one that was barking?
Yeah.
Is this the one you only spent a
All right,
couple
you
grand
guys
on?
get the hint?
Yeah,
What's the deal?
1400?
Yep. We got a little bit of an angle going on here. I can't really show you guys very well without a light. I think Roger's pulling one out of his Chingadera box. Focus.
You see that light?
Oh yeah.
You see it? It was literally right on the freaking
We can
edge.
see the different. That tab is on there too. The one that he ripped off.
Yeah. Getting this out, like I did on the other side. We got to be careful because we got some wires in.
Looks like the right side's going good. I think it'll stop from rubbing, if not be a lot less than it was, but I'm hoping it'll be completely gone. And then it also looks like, what were we just mentioning? What did I forget already? What were we talking about? We can do like a slight pull. It'll naturally like pull as you do it, but on our last passes, we can probably just do like, without holding it down to get the roll.
Yeah.
We can just like let it naturally like do a little pull. So then that should help a little bit too. So hopefully we'll be squared away once we're done with this roll. Oh, we just finished our roll and then we're like, should we pull it? And I think it naturally pulled. We came over here. You can tell from the left side, especially where the fender or the front bumper ends, and then compare it to the right side. Can you catch that on camera? Oh yeah, dude. We made a wide body. Is that it?
Yeah, because we didn't have the fifth one on.
So we got like, what, maybe close to a ½ inch.
Yeah. ½ inch is big.
I think it looks pretty good too. You can't really tell on camera, but that sucker's out there, dude.
All right.
Big old booty. Come look at this one.
And we haven't touched this side.
Jeez, you fucking
Well,
guy.
the goal is to not rub with these tires, so if it's, you know,
The goal would have been to get the right offset for the wheel.
it is right offset. It's
It
Fat
is
Daddy
not
offset.
actually.
Fat daddy.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going home.
Okay.
We made it halfway through this last part here on the left side. We did the right side completed, and we're on the left side now. And it's actually rolling pretty nicely. I don't know, maybe it's Subaru has a, you know, soft paint in general, and then the heating's nice. I don't know, but we're cruising through this pretty good. We don't have any cracking or chipping that we can see, and it's rolling nicely.
We're gonna go much further down because we don't need to. I just want to just a little bit further.
Sounds like a plan, Stan. You have to use your hand, kinda, or some type of object so you can hold it down, which you could probably see him doing as he's rolling these. He's using his hand to keep the force of the fender down, so you can actually put pressure on the inside and fold that lip. This is our last angle adjustment.
Yeah.
Until it starts getting a little flush up there.
Get a little more heat.
Then we can pull a little bit and then take the car out. Hopefully it helps a lot.
So we keep rolling it.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty close. I think it's right here where we need to do more.
Which is the sketchy part. Alright, looks like we're doing our final pull. See if we can. Oh yeah. Now it kind of looks like the other side. Man, I really wish it picked up on camera. Alright, we just got the wheels on. Everything's buttoned up. I'm hoping this worked because this would be the easiest thing to do. Man, it's cold. You look good in there, dude. It sounds good. I wish I had those unequals. I'm gonna pull down here so that he can close the gate. He's gonna park on the street, and then we'll take this out and see if it's rubbing at all and give him some acceleration reaction. And we get to finally take the car home. And as long as it's not rubbing and going all crazy, we can finally hit some high boost. You got the goods?
Sir.
You got the stuff?
Yeah.
Hold this bad boy. Man, those are bright.
Lights on.
Camera section. Man, those are bright, huh? What if I just did this one?
Oh yeah.
That's better. Let's go that way.
Yeah.
Don't go that way. I'm thinking it is still gonna rub, just because I always plan for the worst. But I feel like it's not gonna be as severe.
I feel like it would have rubbed by now.
Right on you. But no, that was a lot better.
little too spicy.
A little too spicy. I think we did it, bro.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, camera 5 from Roger.
You can ride at this light if you want.
I know where I'm at, bro.
Huh?
I know where I'm at.
Yeah.
I still got the blips going on. You like that? The roll, and we did like a pull too at the end. We pulled them left and right a little bit. It was kind of natural with doing the roll, but we did like another touch at the end because we saw that was probably going to help a lot, and there wasn't one done before. So thank you to Roger and Danny for helping out today. That actually helped a lot and saved me, you know, stressing on the freeway, especially because that thing was bottoming out like crazy. You can take the car home, and I'm just hitting everything. There's no space in here. Take the car home and I can turn it in full boost. We can start getting our reaction videos and see if I can't get my dad back in the car or something like that. And come back and, I don't know, you can drive it too, I don't care. But we'll hit the spice boost.
Alright, sounds
Try it
good.
out, yeah?
Hell yeah.
Right on, cool. Well, I'll see you guys on the next videos. Appreciate it.